5 must-know phrasal verbs. Speak English confidently. Hello and welcome. Today we'll explore 5 powerful phrasal verbs that you can start using right away. Each one comes with a simple meaning and example, so you can remember them easily and boost your English confidence. 1. Call off, meaning to cancel something. Example: we called off our picnic because it started raining. 2. Go over, meaning to review something carefully. Example: I need to go over my notes before the English test tomorrow. 3. Put off, meaning to delay or postpone. Example: I had to put off doing my homework because my little brother needed help. 4. Put up with, meaning to tolerate something unpleasant. Example: I can't put up with the loud music from my neighbor every night. 5. Get away, meaning to escape or leave. Example: I want to get away for a few days and relax at the beach. Keep practicing these every day. Small steps lead to big improvements. Use them in your speaking and level up your English. Thank you.